The software lets the user add new deductee details to a correction return by using an Excel file. This feature helps in importing multiple deductee entries at once, making it easier to update the correction return. This video explains how one can import deductee data through Excel in the software under the correction return option. Scroll down and click on Add Deductee via Excel. The software uses a specific format in the Excel to add data. To download the format, click on Download Excel Format option. Click on Import Data via Excel. Select the updated file and upload in the software. Click on Upload and Validate. Click on Start Import. The deductees have been uploaded successfully. Hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching.